Hello students, today we are going to learn aptitude. In the last session we have learned GK Cordova book. In that if you have any doubt you can call me or you can ask me on WhatsApp number. Okay. So I would like to wish you once again welcome in this session. Today we are going to learn once again analogy. Our first lesson was analogy, but it was verbal aptitude. Means there we have learned words. Here we are going to learn today objects. Means by objects we learn what is the similar answer. Okay, so you can see in the first picture, take the correct right choice. So here we can understand students very easily that shuttlecock is used to play badminton. Okay, and ball is used to play cricket. That is why our correct option is C. Got it? Next, second, it is shown a small circle. Here we can say it is a ring. So mostly means we ladies or girls like to wear earrings. And in the second object we can say it is a spectacle and it is related to our eyes. That is why our A option is correct. Third one is in the first picture it is shown a train. Okay, train runs on railway track, and in the third object it is a traveler. It is a bus, traveler bus, and it runs away on highway. That is why our correct option will be C. Next, fourth question. In the first object it is shown it is a hotel, and we go in the hotel to eat something. Mostly we go to have dinner. And in the third picture it is given gymnastic. Yes, here it is little difficult to understand the picture. It is a gymnastic, and here we go to do exercise. Okay, that is why our correct answer will be B option. Next, so I request all students, after watching this video, solve this textbook once again. Here I have given you 4 examples how to solve. Next, B lesson, analogy, abstract figures. Means by understanding the figures we should come to know that what will be the next figure. Like In the first picture, we can see there are two squares. In the first square, it is given plus sign and it is a blank. In that blank square, we have seen here plus sign is given, and second square it is attached with it. It is given minus sign, but it has few cross lines. So this is our first abstract. Similarly, we have got here second picture, two squares. The first one square is with cross lines and minus sign, and down one square we can see here plus sign and blank square. So these are the similarity between first and second abstract. Okay, so we find out the fourth one. We have to find out the fourth one, the correct one answer. So here you can see the different shape. Okay, first one is blank, and in that given plus sign, and down one there are cross lines and given multiples line. Okay, so what will be the correct option here? A will not be correct option. Okay, B will not be correct option, because here plus sign is given already, that is why C option is correct. So multiply and plus sign has given as per our first option. So C answer will be the correct answer. Second, we can say that there are three squares. In that first square is blank, in that plus sign. In the second square cross lines are there, and in the last square there is a dot. Similarly, we have got that second abstract. In that dot is given first, then in the middle cross lines are given, and in the last square plus sign is given. Then we have to find out our fourth abstract. For that, we can say in first option we can see there multiply sign, in between there are cross lines, and at the end there is a plus sign. So here in the option we cannot say A is correct answer, B is correct answer, and C is correct answer, because in that whichever signs are required, those are not there. In D option, plus and cross sign is given, means multiply sign is given. That is why D is our correct answer. See third one. There are two small squares and one is rectangle. So in the first option, first square they have given one dot, second square is blank, and third one it's not a square, it's a rectangle. It means in the second picture they have added one line, means they have added one extra line. It makes 4 square, and dot is given in third box. That is why we have to find out last answer by using this abstract. Okay, so in our third picture, circle is given, and in that circle triangles are given. So 2 triangles are there, and for our correct answer we have to find out the same abstract which is got in the second picture. So A is our correct option, because there are 4 triangles and dot is shown in the third triangle. Got it? Very good. Next, fourth option we can see. Fourth one is first 2 small squares and one is big square. Then similarly option has got big square and opposite direction dot and 2 small squares. Like that we have to find out our fourth object. For that the question is 2 small different type of squares, dot is given in the second square, and at the end there is a big square. So A answer will not be correct, because dot is given down square. B option will be correct, because dot is shown in the opposite direction and the squares are also shown in the opposite direction. So A, C and D is not our correct option. Got it, students? Like this we have to solve our next 4 questions also. See, fifth one. Arrows are given. Here 4 arrows are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. So by that 4 arrows we get one square, and in that square we have got here 4 dots. Similarly, we have to find out 3 arrows correct option. So the way of arrows is shown in the question. We come to know that we have to make one circle, and as per the number of arrows we come to know that it should be 3 dots we have to get. So that A option is wrong, because 4 options are given. C option is also wrong, because 2 dots are given. D also wrong, because 4 dots are given. So our correct option is B. Sixth one, C. In first abstract, what is given here? Star and plus, and some lines are drawn like a mountain, and similarly U shape has drawn with plus sign and star sign. Okay, star sign and plus sign is exactly opposite direction, and the shape is also exactly opposite. Got it? So we have to find our correct option by using next question. See in the question what is given. Some half square they have shown, then first dot, and next one sign they have shown here. So we have to find out correct option in that. So in our option C answer will be correct, because our both signs are opposite side and the shape is also different. So A, B and D answer is wrong and correct option is C. Seventh one, the lines are shown 1, 2 and 3, and front of the line dot and one more sign is given. Similarly, it has shown in the cross side. Dot is shown at the down side and the other sign is shown at the upside, and the square, half square has shown correct opposite side. Similarly, we have to find out the answer of C. Dot is shown upper side and plus sign is shown down side. So our correct option will be D, because we have to go and see the cross one. Plus should be up and dot should be down. D will be our correct answer. Next, eighth one. Here some egg shape is shown, in that minus sign and dot, and some part is shaded of that egg shape, and exactly it is shown opposite. First shaded, then dot and then minus sign. In triangle, first it is shown shaded one, then it is shown dot, and then it is shown minus sign. So we have to find out exactly opposite side of it, and exactly opposite side will be B option. Exactly opposite side will be C option. First would be minus sign, then dot sign and then shaded. So our correct option will be C. Next, lesson number 13, patterns. As we learn lesson number 12, the same patterns or the same thing we are going to learn in lesson number 13. Repeating. Pattern number 1. Students, you have to observe it very nicely. So here some patterns are given. See, in the first question, two squares are attached. In the first square, dot, and in the down one, cross lines. Second square, it has shown cross line and plus sign. Third picture, it is exactly opposite of first picture. And fourth picture is exactly opposite of second picture. Okay. So next one, we have to find out the option. A option will be wrong because as per pattern, as per problem figure, it should not suitable. B option will be correct figure as per pattern dot plus then again dot, and it should be upside. So B answer will be correct. Second option, second question C, U shape, one dot is inner side and one dot is outer side. Then U shape, exactly opposite side, one dot is inner side. Then the third square as it is as first picture, and the fourth square is as it is as second picture. Means we have to decide the pattern. U shape, two dots, U shape, one dot, U shape, two dots, U shape, one dot. So exactly our correct figure will be C. I hope my all dear students are getting whatever I am teaching you right now. See, third question, dot at the left hand side and square at the right hand side. Second one, square is left hand side and dot is right hand side. Third picture, first it is shown square, it is left hand side and dot is right hand side. Correct. Again, dot is left hand side and square is right hand side. So we have to choose our correct option. Next pattern, next figure. So definitely A option will not be there because dot is shown in different way. B also definitely it not be there. And in D option there is no dot. So immediately we come to know C option is correct. Got it? Fourth one arrow, one line, at the end of line two small circles, again one arrow at the opposite side and only a single line. At the end no figure is there. Again the same option like arrow and single line in between, and at the end both side there is a circle. So first option and second option both pictures are similar of third and fourth. So we have to find out our correct option. So B1 is not getting match because arrow is shown the wrong side. Okay. C option also will be wrong because once again the arrow is shown in the wrong side. Okay. C and D option also wrong because it is already shown in our fourth picture. And as per the problem figures, we have to find out the next option. That is why A answer will be our correct figure. Got it? Go through next. Give next two for each of the following. Understand student it and then go ahead. Okay. Now see in the first option what is shown. First we have to understand in each square arrow line and only line in each option it is shown. Now one by one in each figure we have to find out the side of the arrow. In the first option it is shown upside. In the second option it is shown cross side. In the third option it is shown downside, and in the fourth option it is again shown cross side. Again it comes the first picture, means first option and the fifth option is the same. Second option and sixth option is same. Then it should be third option and seventh option will be same. So draw the same figure or same picture like it is shown in the third square. Got it? And draw the same figure like it is shown in the fourth square at the end. Got it? Second one, everywhere it is shown a triangle. Dot is given upside. In the second picture, dot is given right hand side. Third picture, dot is given left hand side. So first, second and third, these three squares are matched with next three squares. That is why in the blank square we have to draw the figure which is shown in the first square. Then in the last blank square we have to draw the figure which is shown in the second square. Got it, students? Next, give next 3 for each of the following. Now see, first square, in that square or dot is in the square. Okay. Second one, square and dot is upside. Third picture, square, dot is in the square. Again fourth picture, square, dot is upside. Next picture, square, dot is inside. So as per first and second picture, third and fourth picture, these are similar. First and third we can say it is similar. Second and fourth we can say it is similar. And first and fifth is also similar. So that is why second and sixth should be similar. So here draw square and upside dot. Like that, next two blanks you have to solve yourself. Got it? Next, it is very easy. Here they have drawn some rangoli design. In the first picture, it is exactly opposite of second picture. So first and second picture exactly opposite. Like that, third and fourth. So in sixth option, we have to draw exactly opposite of fifth picture. Then next exactly opposite of sixth picture. And next blank exactly opposite of seventh picture. Got it? Okay, very good. Next, fill in the boxes. This is also very easy, students. There are 1, 2 and 3 lines are given. First dot is again upside, second dot is right hand side, third dot is little down, and the fourth dot is exactly opposite of first picture. So what will be next? Again we have to draw 3 lines same as it is given in the previous picture, and dot will be given left hand side. Okay, next option is already given, so next we have to find out it should be similar as the first option. Got it? Very good. Next, second one, 2 lines and dots at the one end. It should be exactly opposite in the second picture. Okay. Third picture, dots are shown in the cross side of first picture. It should be exactly opposite to the third picture. Okay, then in the next picture we have to compulsory show 2 lines and 2 dots which is shown in the first and second option. Got it, students? Very good. Next, star, circle, and in circle there is a plus sign. Star, square, rectangle, triangle. Then circle plus star. You can see where they have shown star, where they have shown circle, where they have given plus sign. So in that you have to observe where they have given the signs and where they have given the circle plus and star options. Got it? So like that we can see star is left hand side but upper side, circle in between and in that plus, then star is left hand side but downside, and there is a triangle. Again exactly opposite picture, star we have to draw downside, and exactly in the next picture we have to draw triangle and opposite side star we have to draw, which is shown in the second one. Got it? Then once again it is shown star, circle and plus sign. Second, star, triangle. And in the next picture, circle, plus sign, and star should be downside, right hand side. Got it? Next, observe it properly. Dot, 3 lines and plus. Then dot, 3 lines and plus sign. Here you have to find out their directions. Okay, first direction you have to observe in the first square, second direction, third direction, fourth direction, fifth direction. Okay, first, second, third, and fourth are exactly different directions, like east, west, north, south. So in the first option, in the fifth option, we have to draw second option, which is given already in the square, and in the sixth square, blank square, we have to draw like which is given in the third option. Got it, students? Okay, I hope everyone understand it and do this homework in your textbook. Okay, this lesson we are going to learn in the next session, or if it is possible for you, you can solve yourself also, no problem. Okay, bye bye everyone, and thank you.